Okay, student, we will continue after the last video. Okay, so time to answer. Take the correct option in which in each of the following statements. In places with hot climate, people build houses with thick and thin walls. So in places with hot climate, people build thick walls. है ना? Areas and this is true. Thick walls, true. Areas which receive heavy rainfall have houses with flat and sloping roof, flat or sloping roof. So sloping roof. ठीक है? True. Houses in coastal area usually temporary or permanent. It is temporary. Okay. Houses in earthquake prone areas are made of heavy and light material. So light material. ठीक है. Houses then and now, there is a lot of difference in type of houses that were built in earlier times and houses that are built today. Houses in the earlier time were very big, when an extended family lived together. There were courtyards and wide open space for children to play. These houses were made of bricks and woods. These were big and spacious, well ventilated, and usually had kitchen, garden, and lawn. ठीक है. Earlier joint and extended family lived together in big houses, but with the nuclear family concept gaining prominence, houses have become smaller and compact. These are made of with bricks, cement, and steel. ओके हाउसेज देन एंड नाउ, मतलब हाउसेज पहले कैसे थे और अब कैसे हैं. तो देर बहुत ज़्यादा डिफरेंस आ गया है हाउसेस में. इन अर्लियर टाइम हाउसेस बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े होते थे. दे वो बिग, क्योंकि बिकॉज एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली भी साथ में रहती थी. फैमिलीज बहुत बड़ी होती थी तो इतना स्पेस भी चाहिए रहता है. तो बड़े हाउसेस में क्या कोर्टयार्ड्स एंड वाइड ओपन स्पेसेस होते थे जहाँ बच्चे खेलते थे. ब्रिक्स के घर बने होते थे और वुड के, है ना. और बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशियस होता था, वेंटिलेटेड होता था, किचन, गार्डन एंड लॉन रहता था. पर जैसे जैसे टाइम आगे बढ़ते गया, फैमिलीज छोटी होती गई और न्यूक्लियर फैमिली का कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया. ओके, सो हाउसेज हैव बिकम, न्यूक्लियर फैमिली का कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया तो फैमिली छोटी तो घर भी स्मॉलर एंड कॉम्पैक्ट रहने लगे. दीज आर मेड विद, तो ये किन से बनते हैं? ब्रिक्स, सीमेंट एंड स्टील से. एंड roofs are made of concrete, asbestos, etc. The floors are made of tiles or marbles. Cities have flats or apartments which can accommodate only a small family. Another reason for the change in the design of houses, the lack of space in cities. With so many people living in cities, adequate housing space is not available for everyone. So right, so roof भी बहुत concrete होती हैं. एंड द फ्लोर्स होते हैं वो टाइल्स और मार्बल्स के बने होते हैं. सिटीज़ में ज़्यादातर फ्लैट्स एंड अपार्टमेंट्स होते हैं बिकॉज, और वो होते भी सिर्फ स्मॉल फैमिलीज़ के लिए हैं. और इसका एक और रीज़न ये है कि बिकॉज लैक ऑफ स्पेस इतनी अब नहीं है सिटीज़ में, बिकॉज लोग बहुत ज़्यादा हैं तो पीपल आर प्रेफरिंग स्मॉल हाउसेज. और इतनी सिटी में स्पेस भी अवेलेबल नहीं है कि बड़े बड़े घर बनाए जा सके. इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर एवरीवन, right? So in this chapter what we are aware of, like houses are of different types in different areas, mainly due to the climate condition and availability of building materials. In cities, houses are made up of bricks and cement. These are called pakka house. Multi-story buildings have several flats and apartments. Very high-rise buildings built in big cities are called skyscrapers. Okay, and there is one word. Other things are, in villages, people live mostly in kacha house. People make houses with sloping roof in areas which receive a lot of snow and rainfall. Stilt houses are common. कहाँ पे floods occur जहाँ होते हैं. In coastal area, people make temporary houses. Wooden houses are built with earthquake prone areas. और एक इन आर्टिक रीजन पीपल लिव इन इग्लूज. नाउ डेज हाउसेज हैव बिकम कॉम्पैक्ट. आजकल जो घर क्या हो गए, कॉम्पैक्ट हो गए हैं, छोटे हो गए कंपेयर टू अर्लियर टाइम्स जैसे पहले होते थे. ओके, नाउ fill in the blanks. People in Arctic region live in igloos. Okay, dash are very tall buildings are very tall buildings in big cities. So they are called apartment, है ना. एंड स्काई क्रैपर्स भी बोल सकते हैं आप. ओके, Houses and multi-story buildings are called houses and multi-story buildings are called apartment. Dash houses are built in the flood-prone areas. So stilt houses. Dash are a major tourist attraction and in the Lake of Kashmir. So Dash houseboat. No, not house. So houseboat attraction in the Dal Lake. The outer walls of the house in hot areas are painted in reflected colors, I think. Yeah. One second. Yes, reflected. Sorry, white. Okay. So match the column. Wooden houses in Japan because वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा earthquake होते हैं. Houseboat, Kashmir, and the skyscrapers in third big cities, and the kacha houses are in villages. Okay, so this is how we have completed the exercise, and I will soon send you the question answers. So have a nice day.